Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Chromegle again in 2026. Even after Omegle shutdown, you can still use similar features. Chromegle is back in 2026 through Umingle. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Umingle and install this extension. Once it's installed, open the Umingle website. Now, you will notice that things look a bit different. To access Chromegle features, just go to the settings. There you will find all the available features. You can explore them one by one and use them while chatting with strangers. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.